everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Anggraini Supara from the Architectural Engineering Education Study Program.
On this occasion, I will explain the interior of the Gedung Sate Museum in Bandung. I conduction a direct observation of the museum, the sea interior concept, space, layout, and technology using with him the museum. Museum interior explain the interior is the argument of the interior of a building with the aim of creating comfort, functional, and aesthetic value. The interior of the Gedung Sate Museum is designed by combining historical element and modern technology so that vision can learning about history is more engaging and interactive as moving. First, it marked of design concept. The museum interior using a modern minimalist concept with neutral color such as white, gray, and brown. Lighting is also bright but comfortable so that the extreme and cleaning and take vision attention. Furthermore, the display layout is not of information so that visitor and easily following an historic quest. This section contains is historical display area containing information about the construction of Gedung Sate and the important figure involved. Here, this explain our Martinus Putuhena and other history information. There also an explain of the Gedung Sate Sharon which was using as important communication tool during the government era. Next, there the building city maps area. The area display a large map showing the location of important and historic building in Bandung. This display help visitor understand the development of Bandung and Gedung Sate vision as a significant icon is West Java. One of the main attractions of the Gedung Sate Museum is its using of interaction technology. First, there the augmented reality room. It is area visitor can view virtual objects and digital information that offer interactivity. Then there the virtual reality room. Third, the technology visitor can explain a virtual explain as if the where is the past or saying Gedung Sate. In its more reality was put more there the atrium room with fervent information about Gedung Sate architectural, the construction process, and the building design of concept. Next, there the audiovisual room. This room is using to screen documentary video about the history of Gedung Sate and the development of the West Java government. With audiovisual media, information delivery becomes more engineering and easily for visitor to understand. The interior of the Gedung Sate Museum serves not only as a space argument, but also as means of education, information, and history preservation. The using of the modern technology makes the museum feel more lively and enduring, especially for the young generation. Next, we will discuss the building floor plan. A floor plan expresses the layout of the building interior space we views from above. The Gedung Sate floor plan is symmetrical design with the main hall in the center and the lift and rack with a workspace. Furthermore, connection cording and adequate ventilation ensure comfort and air collection within the building. In conclusion, in Gedung Sate Museum interior combines history element with modern technology to create an interactive and educational environment. The well-organized layout, portable design, and facility make learning history more interactive and engineering of for visitor.